Okay, going to be pressing Hale-Bound's wood plank wall hanger, door hanger. These will have the film on them that you will have to remove. They come in the glossy white finish, one-sided, or they come in natural wood, which is double-sided. After I remove the film, I'll use my terry cloth to just wipe off all the excess from the actual laser cutting, and you can see you always want to wipe them off. I will pre-press for about 10 seconds. My press is set at 380 for 50 seconds. About medium pressure I normally use for the MDF. All these designs that are listed on my shop are able to be printed on 11 by 17 paper. I am sure you could probably maybe do it with a 8.5 wide. I can definitely test that out. Once you line up the design, I personally will use tape. And again, my press is at 380 for 50 seconds. And this is, again, a recommended. You might have to tweak that depending on the type of press you have. So I layered a piece of butcher paper. My substrate is face up. My transfer face down. I think I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to lay another piece of butcher paper and press for 50 seconds. And again, these come in natural wood finish, which are double-sided, or the white glossy finish that are just one-sided. On the natural wood, you can almost market them for like a 2-in-1 product, maybe a holiday or one design, non-holiday on one side and a holiday on the other, or just two general family designs on each side. That is what I'm going to do with my natural wood one. And for the MDF, I do not peel off my tape right away. I just want to make sure, yes, so we're good. So we'll pull this off, and I'll take the tape off of the paper, but I will not pull it off of the back just yet. I'll let that cool some so I don't tear off the backing of the MDF. It's still hot. I do recommend using some gloves, but I think my hands have become, over time, not able to feel the heat. And this is the white glossy one finished. It presses really, really pretty. So my temp that I used, again, recommended 380 for 50 seconds, medium pressure, and pre-pressing for 10 seconds. Once this cools off a little bit, then I will normally pull off the tape slowly on the backing.